Excellent. Guys, welcome to July 24 Mentorship. My name is Luis Leal, also known as PAPAFOREX, and I am going to help you understand learn some strategies that you can use with Manara. I focus on the new people that know nothing about trading. I have been for the people that don't know me. I've been in the forex industry for 29 years, and I was ranked number one in Latin America in 2021 with a broker named Robo Forex, and this was for the copy trading. So on my channel, Telegram channel, you will receive some signals that are from exactly this strategy that I'm going to teach you today. That we've been looking at this strategy for the last 2 or 3 weeks. I have live classes like this only once a week in English, but Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday, I have it in Spanish. So as soon as we have at least 100 students in English, I will add another English session. So what I'm going to do here, Rosebell, first time here. Perfect. Perfect. Rai, you're new. I know you're very new. So welcome everyone. So I'm going to start today. We're going to start with the correlation part. So how do you select the pairs for the correlation? I only have 24 pairs that I have on my strategy that I'm monitoring 24/7 that I'm going to share with you. And if you want, you can do the same thing. You can have these 24 pairs and look at it. And today you can learn the correlation strategy. That way, then after you do the analysis in correlation, then you go to Manara and you look for a trade. That's what I do. Hello, Papa Forex. Nicole, welcome. Anyone here trading correlation strategy? Glad to be here. Also new. Okay. What is your Telegram channel? You go to Forex Manara Español, and my name is Luis Leal. Okay. You go straight to the channel. So I'm going to share my screen. First of all, my Metatrader. And then we're going to go to another page. I just want you to see this is my analysis monitor right here. You see, these are the pairs that I'm checking 24/7, and from here it develops the not the notification, but from here I find the pairs that I want to trade that have the perfect correlation, that have a higher possibility of hitting TP3. So, and this is what I want to show you, because I want to show you exactly what I do. Just looking at getting few of us to trade the correlation strategy together as a team. Oh, that's beautiful, Anthony. I have a group in Japan that they do the same. Colombia, they do the same. Yes. Oh, there it is. Donna from Japan. Perfect. So this is my screen. So now we're gonna go to my Forex, Myfxbook.com, and I want you to write down, or you can come back later and see the video, and just write down the pairs. Let me share my screen on my Myfxbook, because this is the way you find the correlating pairs. And to be honest with you, you only need to do this once. Once you have the pairs, they do change, but they change in years. In years, correlation changes in years. So we're good to go with these pairs for who knows for how much time. But this is my Myfxbook, and down here it says correlation. Simple. Click on correlation, and you will get this info. So you just go down, and these are the pairs right here. To have them all, you click on here in row symbols, click on show all. So it will select all of the symbols, okay? Now, I focus I focus mainly on 7 pairs, which are the major pairs: A AUD USD, Euro USD, GBP USD, NCD USD, USD CAD, USD CHF, USD JPY, and last but not least, gold. Okay, correlation also helps you trade gold. Oh, very, very simple. I don't trade much gold because there's a lot of traders here at E Economy that trade gold. So I don't want to step on nobody's foot, right? So, and they're doing a great job. So don't worry, you will understand in a second. So let's go first with AUD USD. Click on AUD USD, and here it's going to tell you top absolute correlation. So AUD USD positive correlation with 87.7. AUD, this is, I think this is Singapore dollar, and also with AUD CAD. So you can take these 2 pairs plus AUD USD, that's 3 pairs, and that's, I'm going to show you in my Metatrader. Don't worry if you missed the pairs. You will have time to copy in the next screen that I'm going to share with you. Okay, so don't worry. Now let's see for Euro USD. This is a special pair for me because there's a correlation pair with Euro dollar that doesn't appear here, that I'm going to tell you. So euro dollar correlates with these 2 pairs, 3 pairs, very high. But there's another pair that is not here, which is the dollar index. Euro dollar and dollar index correlate inversely. It means that when one goes up, the other one goes down. So, and that's so I have euro dollar with dollar index and euro Singapore dollar or US dollar HUF. Okay, so I don't trade those pairs. I only use them for the information. Okay, so let's go, and so on and so on. You have to do this so you can have your own list. GBP USD, for example, you have these 2 pairs, 97.8 positive with GBP SGD. It means that they move to the same way most of the time, and inversely minus 94.5 with USD SGD. So, and then let's check gold, the last one, and then we go back to Metatrader. So gold is XAU USD. Now look at this. XAU USD, it correlates positively with AU Euro and XAU GBP. You see, 94.7 and 93.8. So the 3 pairs, they move to the same direction most of the time. Simple as that. Okay. So this is where I get my correlation information. So this correlation information, once I write it down, then let me go to my Metatrader. And this is where I put all my information right there. So you see these 3 blacks. This is AUD USD, AUD CAD, and AUD SGD. This is what we saw at the correlation table in Myfxbook. And the correlation table there, it says that the 3 of them, they correlate positively. That's why I put a plus sign right here. Okay, so that remembers, I can remember how they move. So they move in the same way. Let me see if I can make this like this, like this, and like this, so you can see it. You see how they move down, up, and down. Right now, they are correlated on a downtrend. You see? So guess what? I'm gonna be looking for AUD USD sell. I'm gonna look for some AUD USD USD sell. Okay, now let me give you another example. I show you euro dollar, and I told you it correlates with dollar index, and then euro SGD. Let's make this bigger. Let's see how it looks on the graph. There and there. So if euro dollar, this euro dollar, the first one and the second one, they correlate positively. It means they move on the same way. So if this one goes down, the other one goes down. And you see on this moves right here, it became blue. This is where all the action happens. When people get in the market, they lose money. They don't know the correlation strategy. And this is where drama happens. And then these two pairs, the two top, they correlate inversely with the dollar index. You see in this part, for example, euro dollar comes down, but dollar index goes up, and so on and so on. So right now we can see that euro dollar going down, euro Singapore dollar in a downtrend, and dollar index going up. So could be right now I could be looking for euro dollar going down, same as the AUD USD. So that's how I find it. Now we have down here, we have gold, the green ones. The green ones. You see how gold is in a downtrend right now? This is on the 15-minute chart. Okay. Now the price can go up, and we can say, oh my God, why is going up if the correlation is saying to go down? Well, because there's also a retracement. Price is not going to go in a straight line down or up. It goes up, down, right? So right now you can see the three pairs that have gold downtrend, because super trend it's red. You see, downtrend. So we are looking for gold going down, unless there's a change of trend that we will see here. But otherwise, it looks nice for a downtrend. The trend change can happen in any moment. You can enter the market, and then suddenly 10 minutes after that, then the change of trend happens. Well, that's how it is. That's why you need to apply your risk management. You need to know how to calculate your lot size, and you need to apply your risk management, because Forex is not an exact science. We work with probabilities in the way that you make the probability the balance of probability lean a little bit to your favor is by knowing risk management. It's by knowing how to calculate your lot size. They say that Forex is like a casino. Well, it is like a casino if you don't educate yourself. If you don't know about risk management, then it's going to be like a casino for you, right? But not for the people that are here. The people that are here are learning. This is an academy. It's not like a signal company. It's an academy, and my goal is to make you a successful trader in the least time possible. Okay, and I can tell you for sure that there's hundreds, if not thousands, of students that have become profitable traders. So you could be the next one with very simple technique, very simple strategies. Now, let's go to Manara. Let's see what Manara scanner is giving us. Let me load it up, and then we'll check what pairs, what notification we have, and we can check towards the correlation. So let me share another screen, which is, hold on, Manara, and Manara right here. So this is Manara. Now, let's say, for example, we saw that AUD USD it was coming down, right? Well, we don't have a new AUD USD. We have this. This is an old one from 7:31 in the morning for me, or 7:31 in the morning. And you see how the price came down from that price from 7:31 in the morning, came down, following that correlation. I was not able to take this trade on time. As a matter of fact, let me erase this. Let's see another one. I saw USD JPY going down. The correlation was, look at this, how beautiful this looks. I was not able to take this trade also. It went up to TP3. Oh, man, I missed this trade. But you see, it's just simple correlation. So let me check real quick here. Let's see, Jan. Down. The market, there's not too many options right now because it's too early. So I see AUD USD. You're not looking at my chart, okay? So don't worry. AUD USD down. Euro dollar, it could be in a trend change right now. Now, GBP USD, same. We're waiting on it. NCD USD is still not correlated yet. USD CAD, no correlation so far. USD CHF, it looks on a downtrend. Now, let me tell you something. USD CHF and euro dollar, they correlate inversely. So if USD CHF goes down, then most likely euro dollar is going to go up. Okay? So you have to be careful. Never place a trade. Never buy euro dollar and at the same time buy dollar Swiss franc, because that's a wrong analysis. They correlate inversely. Okay, so if I'm looking dollar Swiss franc coming down, but not strong, the correlation is very weak right now. Then if I see dollar Swiss franc coming down, then euro dollar must go up, normally all of the time. Okay, then Japanese yen. Well, the best scenario we have right now is dollar Japanese yen going down. That's the best correlation that I can see. Okay, now let's see what Manara has for us. NCD USD. We are still waiting on the correlation, even though it looks very nice. Not to do together euro dollar and dollar Swiss franc, which is USD CHF. NCD. Okay, I see. Let me show you something. Let me show you. This is interesting. The correlation of the NCD USD is changing right now. There we go. So let me make this bigger. This is NCD USD, NCD CAD, and GBP NCD right there. So these two, they're positively correlated, and this is inversely. It means when this goes down, then this goes down and this goes up. What you can see here is NCD USD is coming down, and you see NCD CAD in the next 15 to 30 minutes, it looks like it's going to do a trend change. So if NCD CAD goes down, then we're going to have a perfect correlation, meaning down, down, and up. So we could be looking for NCD USD sell. Okay. Now, if we go to the last trade, that we just saw on Manara. Let me share Manara because we got a notification from NCD USD. There we go. So here we can see that there's a notification here, and we could take this trade as a sell limit. Let's see. So we enter here, 592.45. The stop loss, 593.60. And then let's do, this will be right here. This will be TP1. This will be TP2. Let me mark it and then I'll read your comments. If you're new and you don't understand, don't worry. It's going to take you 2-3 classes to understand this. But once you learn it, this is knowledge that you will keep for the rest of your life, that you will be able to share with your loved ones. That's what we want. We don't want any war. We don't want any pandemic things. But if that comes again, then you have the knowledge to make money from home. That's what we want, right? There we go. So this will be stop loss. This will be the entry. That will be a sell limit. And then this will be TP1. And then this will be TP2. And this will be TP3. If you are an experienced trader, you can take it. If you're new, you can wait. You can just learn the strategy. Because we don't have the perfect correlation right now. Based on my experience, I see that it will happen. So I'm just taking an approach faster. But if you are new, that's fine. You have to wait until the correlation happens. Okay, so this is NCD USD. Let me go back with it. I like this strategy, easy to learn and follow. Yes, Anthony, great. Can I set up the strategy on TradingView? If yes, which super trend indicator should I use? Okay, Saudi, nice to read you, Saudi. Yes, on TradingView, and use 14.4 super trend. Super trend 14.4. Correlation currency strategy. Yes. Can you repeat those pairs that you said not to do together? Okay. Thank you, Anthony, for reaching out for Raya. USD news later today also. Great. Yes. So from my understanding, it's always best to take trades that are trending the same. Yes, exactly. Meaning on the correlation strategy. Okay. That's the plan. Make money while I sleep. Exactly. Trading together will be fun. We'll watch the pairs and discuss it. Yes, that's a beauty. I applaud all the people that do it in team. You know, if you do things alone, you can go faster. But if you do things in a group, you can do it further. You know, further. Can you put the strategy in the chat? 44. I got it. Thank you. Okay. As you can see right here, it's hitting TP1. So it means the correlation happened too late. Okay, this trade is gone. We're not taking it. It's already touching TP1. Okay, but there's more trades to analyze. That's not the problem. I just want you to see that probably if the correlation had happened 10 minutes before, then we were making money already. But you see how we check correlation, that it was happening in the correlation that NCD/USD correlates, and wants to go down. At least that's what the correlation says. And look how the NCD/USD is moving, already trying to get to TP2. And let's check another notification. Let's see USD CAD. We have USD CAD. Let me check real quick the correlation on USD CAD. So where is USD CAD? Okay, USD CAD up and down. It's the same thing. It's still not a perfect correlation. See, the NCD USD is now correlated perfectly, but we were late like 5 minutes. It happened 5 minutes too slow. USD CAD going up, but still not correlated. So still we need to wait for that one. And it looks, this is exactly the same, that happened with the NCD USD. The correlation happened a little bit too late. Same. So let's see, but probably this is not too far. So probably we could take a trade here, because you see it's not that far. 1.38, 166. There, this will be the stop loss right there. And then let me mark it first and see if we take the trade or not. This will be TP1, 382.30. Then let's look for TP2. TP2 right there. And then TP3 all the way up here. There. And it's 422. There. Oops. 422. There. Let me mark it again right here. This is the stop loss. Stop loss. This is the entry. This will be a buy limit. This will be TP1. TP1. This will be TP2. And this will be TP3. TP3. And it looks good, guys. You can take this trade. If you're advanced or middle, you can take it. Okay? You can take it now. It is all based on pips. Based on pips. I'm following from, sorry, please, can someone type out TP1? How do you decipher where to play your TPs? Okay, very good question, right? So it all has to do with risk reward management, okay? So TP1, this is half, you see this green is half the size of the red. It means that it's at a 1 to 0.5 risk reward. That's how you read it. Then TP2 is exactly the same size as the red part. This is TP2. And TP3 is double the size of the red one. Okay? That's how we mark the TP zones, the TP areas. So one, it's 1 to 0.5. The other one is 1 to 1. And the other one is 1 to 2. What it means, 1 to 2, listen, it's risk reward ratio. First risk, then reward. So if I tell you 1 to 2, it means that I risk 1 to reward 2. Let's talk about percentage. If I risk 1% to make 2%. So on this, the red is the risk. So look at it that the red value is 1%. And all the way up to TP3 is double. So it means that's 2%. Okay. That's that's how it is analyze and set up the TPs. Now, USD CAD, if you want to take it only if you're advanced. Okay. If not, you can wait. Don't worry. There's going to be plenty entries today. I can already see it because correlation right now, the correlation with USD CAD is still not perfect. It's coming late also as the NCD USD. But from my experience, again, I tell you, oh, dollar yen dropping. Dollar yen is dropping. AUD is dropping. Oh my God. Very nice. Let's see what else we have. I want to take an entry. So USD CAD, we could take it. Let's check another one. Dollar Swiss franc. US dollar Swiss franc. Yeah. Same. Here we have another one that we could take. Let me check the correlation again. Down, down, up. Yeah. Dollar Swiss franc is beautiful. Beautiful. We could take this one. 29. Yeah, but it's too far. I prefer to take the USD CAT one. I want to take this one for sure. I'm gonna send this trade idea to the group. Let me put here the info. So it's gonna be USD CAD. There's gonna be a buy limit. Entry at 1.38166. TP1 is going to be 1.38230. TP2 is going to be 1.38294, and TP3 is going to be 1.38422. The stop loss is going to be at 1.38038, and this is for 12.8 pips, minus 12.8 pips. Let me double check. 38,166, 382.30, 382.94, 384.22, and 380.38. Yeah. So you can copy this one. Okay. So thank you for explaining that. Please, can someone type the signal in the chat? Yes, I'm going to do that. I love it when we have live signals. Let me see. Place. Yeah, Jennifer, go to the group. Normally I send at least one a week, at least 5 a week. One a day, 5 a week. Okay, guys, we are going to finish the class right now because I need to send this for the community. There's more than 10,000 students waiting for a signal. This is the signal that I'm going to send right now. Okay, so I'm going to upload this video to the group in a couple of hours, review it, and let me know. You can contact me with your doubts, and hopefully we get to 100 students fast so we can have more English classes with this simple yet effective strategy. Jennifer says, yes, I try a few of your signals, accurate, most of them. Great, excellent, excellent. But you have to understand, Jennifer, that sometimes we're also going to lose some trades. So you need to learn about risk management. Okay. Thank you, Saori. Nice to read you always. Big hug for the Japanese community also. So I'll see you guys next Wednesday and tomorrow in Spanish. Even if you don't speak Spanish, coming to the class. In order to get to the classes, you need to change the language to Spanish. Okay. So you can see the link. Take care, guys. Take care. God bless you all.